Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook medicine food like a stew, like vegetable or goodness, everything in this. If whoever want to eat healthy and good food, and follow me, I'm gonna show you how to do very easy. Come on, let's go start it. Okay, let's start. Go for the herb first. This is hot pepper and lemongrass all together. Okay, very easy guys, and good healthy food. And this one right here, sticky rice, I soak in the water about 2 hours because I want gravy. If you like gravy, you have to put this sticky rice, no powder, okay, real rice, put gravy, make like a gravy and good herb. Okay, this spinach vegetable, I'm gonna blend it to make a sauce, nice and green, beautiful. Okay, this spring water, I'm gonna go ahead and add spring water in and cover up. Let's go start it. Okay, this blender right here, go ahead, start blender. Okay, it's done. Let's go. This is step 1. Okay, this is all my ingredient. As you can see, in pumpkin, salmon fish, eggplant, squash, bean, mushroom, and everything else. I'm gonna show you how to do this food. So good, and you eat this benefit like a medicine. Follow me. This is very important, guys. Okay, guys, cooking good food is very easy. Just I show you. This is the one I just blended. Go ahead, put in here all of this, all the medicine. I'm gonna turn the fan on because it's suck it up or the smoke out. Okay, now everything already there. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in, guys. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put salmon fish in here. So easy when I'm cooking, okay? Pumpkins, all in. Eggplant, all in. Squash, all in. Green bean, in. And stir because I have gravy rice in here, and you don't want stick in the pot, right? Just keep stir. I'll show you how to cooking food like a medicine, and you eat this food, you be happy and stay young, and all vitamin you need, everything in here. I'm gonna add more water. Yep. Stir them well. I'll show you how to seasoning after that. I have more vegetable coming too. Okay, asparagus in. Okay, looking good, right? Look, nice color, look at that. Okay, mushroom in. All the goodness in here, guys. Keep stir. When they cook down, you're gonna love this food, and nobody else make this. I make this for myself because it make me go to the bathroom. I got a lot of fiber, and plus make my skin beautiful and eat so healthy, and I'm not getting hungry easy because this food is all everything in one, guys. If you like to cook the way I do, go ahead. You don't have to put everything I have. You cook what you got, okay? I cook a lot like this. I put in the freezer. When I want it, I take it out and eat. You can eat for whole week. Same food every day. When the food's good, you can eat every day, no problem. That's how benefit to your body. Okay, this is anchovy. This is Thai anchovy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one on. I'm gonna go ahead and put big 1 spoon right here. I'm gonna boil this. Yeah, I'm gonna boil this because this anchovy right here have a little bit crumb. I don't like crumb in my soup, so I'm gonna go ahead and boil this. I'm gonna add 2 more salmon fish, guys. I didn't cut, so they were melting all together. Anchovy first fish, guys, already boiling. I'm gonna go ahead, filter in here. See that? Make it smell good. Everything in here. Very tasty. See the crumb right here? I don't want the crumb right here. Sometimes I have the bone too. But this Thai anchovy. Padek, guys, padek. We call padek. Alright. Wow, it smells so good. I don't even put everything in here, yeah, it smells so delicious. It smells so good. Let the salmon fish cook down. You know, everything benefits, guys. Eat fish. You have to eat salmon fish because the benefits for everything. And I love salmon. Okay, first I'm gonna add sauce. That's it. Then I'm gonna add Thai fish sauce, guys. About 1 spoon. And you have to taste first. If you enough taste or not enough, you always fix it. 1 spoon. Then I'm gonna put chicken broth powder right here. By this brand very good. I'm gonna put this right here, very tasty. 1 spoon. I will put 2 spoons because I don't use MSG, guys. That's it right there. Stir them down. Almost boil this right here. Smells so good right now. Smell this. Okay, this dill. I'm gonna go ahead and put the dill, guys. Dills. This is so much benefit. Every vegetable I put in here benefits. Put dill in. I cook a lot like this. I give to my friends 1 container. Everybody get 1 container, so I eat every day and I put in the freezer. Then every time I'm hungry, I'll take it out and eat good food. You cook 1 time, cook a lot, and you don't have to cook too much. Cook 1 time and you benefit for whole week. That's what I'm doing. Very easy. This piece, right guys, piece. But I have leaf. I'm not using this one. I have leaf. The leaf right here, just so good. They eat so nice and then very creamy. Go ahead, drop it down. All the vegetable in, all the benefits in here, guys. Beautiful. Put it down. This leaf right here, $5.99 a pound. So they taste so good. You're not very happy all the time. When they got it, I buy all. Just like that. I don't care how much the price. When I see in the market, I buy this. Only have it in Asian market. You gotta go to X-Mart, Latte Korean market, guys. You know, I make cooking food so easy and fun. When I cook food, I prep everything, whatever I need. I prep everything, get ready, and when I cook, less than 10 minutes. So easy, and I enjoy my cooking because when I cook, that's what I do. Prep everything. So when you do, so easy. You guys, it's so good right now. Let me taste. Oh my God, so good. Delicious. You know, my friends always, always say, when you're cooking, you make things so easy. You make them, it's easy because I keep telling you, when you're cooking, you gotta prep. When you prep, everything's so easy and a lot of fun and clean, and you do everything like enjoy the way you do things. This salmon fish, I have to make a smaller one. Okay, guys. That's why they say, I enjoy your cooking. When you cook, you make things so easy. It is easy. If you cook the way I cook, things coming very easy, and you're gonna love to cook, guys. Okay. This salmon fish, make a smaller. Yeah. I'm gonna add another small little bit fish sauce. This one, stew right here, you eat with rice. Okay, everything boiling now. Look at this guy. How good the soup look. Nice and green, all goodness in here. I'm gonna add, this is last ingredient. Last one, okra. Okra, oh my God, they're the one to make you go to bathroom. So good. They all of them make you go bathroom. I'm just saying, add okra if you like. If you don't like, you don't have to. Okay? You don't believe it. Today, the vegetable expensive more than meat. You know, I buy this right here. The vegetable, $4-5 a pound. Everything expensive, especially Asian vegetable, guys. You know, the meat, I don't even want to eat meat. I want to eat fish and all the vegetable. This is the good way to cook like this, guys. Stew, green vegetable soup with salmon fish. See that? All the looking delicious coming up right here. See that? They're expensive vegetable more than meat. I don't care, you know. I just the food I eat. I'm happy, dancing in my mouth, you know. I love it. See that? Oh, the goodness in here. See? let them boil for 5 minutes and I'm done. Wow, today is Super Bowl. So basically I cook this green soup for Super Bowl party, guys. Super Bowl party, yeah, of course. Yep, good food right here. So watching Super Bowl and eat this good soup and stomach will be happy. Okay, last one. Cilantro, guys, cilantro. Yeah. Alright, it's time to turn off. Here you have it. Green vegetable soup, salmon fish flavor, cooking. There you go. Turn it off. Done. Done. Okay guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and if you cook, let me know how it tastes. Thank you for watching. I see you. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and eat. Time to eat, guys. Come on. Eat with me. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow, look at this. Here, eat the sticky rice and soup right here. Oh my god, I can't go no wrong. Come eat with me, guys. Come eat with me. So good. Happy food. And let's go eat it. Oh my god. Look at this. Very hot. Thumbs up, subscribe to make me happy and show you very easy food and medicine, real food for your body, benefits, everything. Show you a lot more to go, guys. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and eat, but I'm so hungry. Thank you.